there's photos.
Ja, kijk hoe mooi. Dat is al daar.
Table Mountain.
Ja.
Nice. I'm gonna lower the brightness so people can see.
Wow.
Oh, flip my reflection. I forgot I have a reflection. I'm gonna have to hold the camera in front of my face.
Richmond. Sea Point in Cape Town. Free State.
Nice.
Wow, that's lovely.
I love this kind of images.
These are so nice. Absolutely beautiful. Wow. Oh, dat is zo mooi.
Also like little. Oh, those doors still work.
This is a very beautiful image.
It looks the same to me.
No, this is stunning.
Okay.
That is so pretty.
True. It's a really tight hall. It's a very tight corridor.
Yeah.
It's the same like kind of size in the corridor what we saw at like the school. What I was talking about earlier. This is a little different.
Ah.
Do people actually allow us in here? Are we allowed to be in here? Oh, I can't.
This is it fine.
I can't turn around because I have a backpack on my back.
You see these
Flip.
elephants. Oh, they're beautiful.
Nice.
Dis ook 'n baie goeie foto die. It's mooi. Lovely. Look at the old flowers.
Okay, I can't move in here. I have a backpack on my back and there's food in the backpack that I may crush. So yeah, there's a hole in that. People don't actually use that. It's very tight space.
Yeah. Just for the basic needs.
Yeah, just for pooping, washing hands,
Oh, daar's nog 'n badkamer.
creaking door.
Daai foto's is so mooi.
Toilet.
Well done.
I can read. I'm gonna actually go past here to see what's another bathroom.
Ja.
This one doesn't have a hole in it though.
Jy moet nou saam met my na die kop toe kom.
There's a Mama, there's a glory hole.
No, don't say things like that. That is so nice.
I'm joking. Your face was like, ew. I'm gonna turn on the brightness. It's a very tight hallway. My shoulders are touching the ends of it.